Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with your girl Moya. Today we are setting up three binders. As y'all can see, I have a red and green binder. This one I'm setting up for my boyfriend. Now my boyfriend, I gave him one binder a long time ago. It was mostly like a saving challenge binder. Barely used it in the beginning. Then after a while he started to use it and he was letting me know that he likes it. So I told him I'm going to make him two binders. One he could put bills in and the other one could be sinking funds / high priority. You know how men are. We as women, we separate everything. Men really don't care. I'm just going to make him two binders. I'm going to make one bills. I'm going to make one sinking funds. And then the other binder, which is this beauty, I am going to turn this into my boss lady binder. So everything that has to do with my small business. So I'm going to also be setting up this binder as well. So before we start, let's put these aside. Let's jump into our positive quote first before we start anything else. So inside a positive quote, let's get down to business. Oh my god, I have huge plans for the new year. I'm going to do that video and basically let y'all know what my plans are for the new year and how I'm going to go about achieving those things. So the fact that this card says let's get down to business, it's like these cards be reading my mind and just be going with whatever I be thinking. Oh my god, that's just something. Okay, so we're going to start off with, I made these stickers for him. So his boxer name, because y'all know he's a boxer, so I'm doing like a boxer theme. So his boxer name is Fade, and I have this punching glove, and I also made this boxing man. So I printed these stickers. I want to put on the front of the binders. So the green and red one I want to put on the red binder, and then the boxing man I want to put that on the green binder. And I also made him envelopes. So if you look really good, you can see like a boxing ring going through the envelopes. They're really faint. I didn't really want them to be, you know, too bright and too standing out, because I know my boyfriend, he don't like too much. So I barely put like little boxing rings and little boxing gloves going through the envelopes for him. So I asked him about all the things that he spent his money on, and we sat down and we wrote, well, I wrote down all of the things that he spends his money on, and then I basically write them down, and then I made envelopes for them. So now I'm going to separate them between bills and high priority. So these are all his bills, and then these are all his high priority sinking funds. So let us start with the bills binder. I feel like the bills one, I want the bills one to be green. Let's do the green one for bills. I got these off of Amazon. I just ordered these off of Amazon for him. And I forgot to show you guys, I also made him dashboards. So I made him this boxing dashboard, and I also made him this boxing dashboard that has all the boxers, Errol Spence, Floyd Mayweather, etc, etc. So I have two dashboards. I'm going to put this in the red binder and this one in the green one. And then I also made him these dashboards so he can identify his binders. So being that the green one will be bills, we're going to put the bills here, and then this is going to be his sinking funds dashboard. So let's get started. First, let's put the sticker on the front. So we're using the boxing man. Should I put him in the center, or let me see where this thing closes? No, it ripped. Where should I put this man? Because this thing covering it. Should I put him like right here and then it goes like that? Don't make no sense. I wish I had turned it the other way. I know my boyfriend don't care, but look at the rip. It's okay. So we have the boxing man on the side, and then when we open it up, we're gonna drop his envelopes in. So I think we should put probably rent in the front, utilities, phone, all the, you know, for sure bills. So phone, car insurance, and then it could be gas, LA Fitness, and credit cards in the back. Okay, and with that, we're gonna put the bills right here. So it says bills binder. Oh, look how the pen already messed it up. He doesn't care. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Simple, 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 simple. That's my boyfriend. He don't like nothing that's too much. So we have the bills dashboard in the front. Then we have rent, utilities, car insurance, gas, phone, LA Fitness, credit cards, and then bam. And that's it for his bills binder. Now let's do his sinking funds binder, which I feel like it's gonna be my favorite because it's like red. It's like fire red. Okay, we put on it. Oh my god, why does this keep ripping? We're gonna put fade right here in the center top. And then we're gonna put the boxing glove. Let me take my time with it because since everything wanna rip. Should we put it right here or right here? I think right here. That's cute. I don't even know if he's gonna use all these, but moving out, savings, household, miscellaneous. Did I make an emergency one? I don't see emergency. Don't tell me that I didn't make emergency. Whoa, I didn't. I'm gonna have to make another one for him that says emergency. But anyways, let's put the envelopes in. I'm just gonna put them in no particular order. They're slightly off. Alright y'all, so here we go. Sinking funds. Then it goes into all his envelopes. And then it moves into the back dashboard. And that's it for my boyfriend's binders. The bills and the sinking funds binder for my boo-boo. I hope he likes them and I hope he uses them because knowing him, listen, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found an Agenda 52 binder and I thought this was super cute. So guess what? I bought it. It was $14.99, but I got it on sale. I think it was having like a 50% off sale on Hobby Lobby. So I got me an Agenda 52 binder. It has cute little gold foils going through it. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice, but there's some gold foil lines going through it, which is so pretty, and it has a gold ring. So I bought it because I'm thinking about changing my binders out to gold ring binders. Not sure yet. We'll see about that, but I'm a step closer being that I got this. So with this binder, I am going to make it my entrepreneur binder. And y'all know I have the Boss Lady bundle on my website for sale. So if y'all are interested in it, it is there. The link is in the description. It's the Boss Lady bundle for the small business owners and entrepreneurs. And I also have these two gold foil dashboards. So because there's gold foil running through the binder, I decided that I want to add the gold foil dashboards into it. And these are all the challenges for the Boss Lady binder. Yeah, so I'm putting my Boss Lady binder together. First, let's start off by putting the challenges into the envelopes. This new year, I want to get really serious. I want to stay on track. There's a lot of changes that I have to make. A lot of slip-ups happened throughout this year, but it's my first year cash stuffing and budgeting. So, you know, things happen, you live and you learn. So with that being said, I lived and I learned, and I'm going to do a few adjustments. and I'm going to get very serious this year. Very, very, very serious this year with what I'm doing. I'm ready to take the next steps in budgeting. I'm ready to get more serious and stay on track. Hence why I'm putting together my Boss Lady binder. I think I want product restock in the top and the front, because you know that's one of the main things that we have to do all the time. Website expenses, equipment, let's put emergency right here, and let's put tax preparations behind equipment. Oh, I'm loving the gold ring. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, so there goes the challenges. Challenges are in. We have the monthly income tracker and we have the product inventory tracker. And voila, Boss Lady. Let's put one in front of the first three. I'm gonna drop, let's put the white and gold foil right there. And then in the back, let's put the extreme gold foil right here. There you have it, the Boss Lady binder. So the Boss Lady dashboard in the front, the product inventory, the monthly income tracker, and then we have all the challenges. Then we have the gold foil dash. Then we have the rest of them. And then we have the extreme gold foil dash. And that, my friend, is my Boss Lady binder. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I love to make my stuff cute, because the cuter they are, the more likely I am to use them. You know, that's my one saying that I always say all the time. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video, and take care and happy stuffing.